Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. So, the very first step is I would actually make use of the cross chart. This will be my rough working at the side. And do take note how I place my 2x squared. 2x squared will be here. And where will be my 7x? 7x will be here, positive 7x. And again, 3, positive 3. Sorry, I'm going to make use of the red color. And at this particular point here, I'm going to think of the factors for 2x squared. There's only 2x times x multiply to give me 2x squared. And for 3, do take note for 3, there's only 3 and 1 as the factors. And so, now it's just to try and error. So I'm testing that if I have 3 and 1 here, will that work out? So let's just test it out. X times, and this will give me 3x, and 2x times 1 will give me 2x, and when I plus them together, does it give me my 7x? Yes, no. So I know that this is not the correct answer. And then what do I do next? I then try the other way. So now 1 is on top, 3 is below, and let me try. X times 1 is 1x. 2x times 3 is 6x. And when I add them up, I do get back my 7x. And so I will be able to get my answer now. And the answer is 2x and positive 1, x and positive 3. And therefore, this will be the answer to this factorization. 2x and positive 1, x and positive 3. We have come to the end of this part. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 3y squared plus 14y plus 8x. And at this point, at the side, I would have my cross chart, and this is where I'm going to place the 3y squared and my positive 8 at this side. My 14y will be at the side here, positive 14y. And for the red color factors, 3y squared, we only have 3y times y. That is the only factors for 3y squared. But for 8, I can have 1 times 8, 2 times 4. And now is how I place the factors such that when I multiply them to the other side, they give me 14. So this requires some thinking. And I realized that 3 times 4 will give me 12y. Y times 2 will give me 2y, such that 2y plus 12y will give me my 14y. So I have successfully chosen the right pair of factors for 8. And where is the answer? The answer will be here. 3y positive 2, y positive 4. And so the final answer, 3y positive 2, y positive 4. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 2m squared plus 8m minus 24. So the very first step, I'm going to make use of the cross chart at the side. And this is how we position the terms. 2m squared negative 24. Positive 8m, so it's positive 8m. And in this case here, there's only 2m multiplied by m to give me my 2m squared. As for 24, 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. These are the 4 pairs of factors for 24. And I must make sure that after I choose the correct pair of factors, taking into consideration the negative sign later on, it must give me back a positive am. So which pair should I choose? So I realized that if I choose 2 and 12, such that m times 12 will give me my 12m, 2 times 2m times 2 will give me my 4m. And now is the time to consider this negative sign. And because I want a positive am, if I have the negative sign here, 12 minus 4, it does give me my am, a positive 8. And therefore, this will be my negative sign. And therefore, I've gotten my answer, 2m positive 12, m negative 2. So that would be the answer for this question, 2m positive 12, m negative 2. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 6a squared plus 19a minus 20. So I'm going to make use of the cross chart. And for the cross chart, do take note how I position my terms. Alright, so 6a squared, negative 20. Later we will consider the negative at later part of the working. 19a, positive 19a. Alright, and so now 6a squared, we look at number 6 first, okay? Because later we have the a times a. Definitely. But 6 can have 1 times 6, 2 times 3, and as for 20, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. And now, I must consider either 1 and 6, 2 and 3, and 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5, which pairs will allow me to get positive 19 later on. And I realized that if I choose 1 and 6, 4 and 5, such that I have 6a and 1a, and I make sure that I can multiply by 4 to give me 24a, and a times 5 to give me my 5a, and then should I now decide where is this negative sign going to be? Because I want a positive 19a, if I have a negative 5a, 24a minus 5a will give me positive 19a. And we have therefore gotten our answer. 6a, negative 5, 4a, a and a and positive 4. So that will be the answer for this question. 6a minus 5, a and positive 4, and that will be the factorization. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will try to factorize 3p squared minus 17p plus 10, and I'm going to use the cross chart. And do take note where we position this cross chart, okay? We would have 3p squared here, positive 10 here, and this is a negative 17p. So this part here, we will try to add them up. And 3p squared, there's only one possible set of factors. 3p times 1p. And as for 10, 1 times 10, 2 times 5. I now need to make sure that when I choose the set of factors for 10, it must give me a 17p. And I realized I could choose 2 and 5 because 3 times 5 will give me my 15p. P times 2 will give me my 2p, such that 2 and 15 I can make 17. But now is the key. How do I get negative 17? And it is at this point that I realize negative 2 times negative 5, negative times negative will indeed give me back my positive 10. And so this will be the final answer. 3p, negative 2p, and negative 5. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 2q squared minus 7q plus 6. So I'm going to make use of the cross chart to help me do that. So 2q squared and positive 6, 2q squared, positive 6, and my negative 7q. So at this part will be the plus, and here will be the multiply. There's only 2q times q for the pair of factors to make 2q squared. As for 6, it's either 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. Later then we consider the negative sign, but at this stage, which pair will give me 7? Okay. And consider the negative sign, right? This will be the answer. Because 2 times 2q will give me 4q. While q times 3 will give me 3q. And when I consider this negative sign, I do need to make sure that this is negative, and this is negative, this is negative, and this is negative, such that negative 3 times negative 2 will give me positive 6. So this will be the final answer for this question, where we will have 2q negative 3, q negative 2. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 3n squared minus 20n minus 7. So I'm going to make use of the cross chart. Do take note how I position my terms, where I will have my 3n squared and negative 7 here, and my negative 20n here. And so here will be the factors for 3n. There's only 3n times n to give me 3n squared. And as for 7, there's only 1 times 7. Now is to decide how do I position the factor such that I will get 20n. Yep. This should be the part because n times 1, n times 1 will give me 1n. 3n times 7 will give me 21n. And now is to consider the negative sign. And so at this stage, right, then we need to make sure that it is a negative 20. And so I realize if I have negative 21 plus 1n, I do get back my negative 20n. So the negative sign should belong to 7. And therefore we would get our answer now. 3n positive 1, n and negative 7. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 6d squared minus d minus 7, and I'm going to make use of my cross chart for that. 6d squared and negative 7, do take note where I position them in this cross chart method. Negative 1d, and at this stage, now is to make sure that I can get my negative 1d. And I realized I could do that by having 6d and d. And for 7, I could have 7 and 1 such that I would have my 6d here. D times 7 will be my 7d. And now I need to consider my negative sign such that I get a negative 1d. So where should the negative belong to? Yes, it should belong to the 7. Such that I will still have my negative 7 times 1 equals negative 7. And negative 7 plus 6d is negative d. And we have successfully gotten our factors. This one will be 6d and negative 7d and negative 1 and positive 1, sorry. We've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize negative 2r squared minus 11r minus 5. And for a start, I realized there is a common factor for this. Okay, so even before I use the cross method, right, I must factorize by taking out common factor negative 1. This is the common factor, and that will leave me with 2r squared, positive 11r, and positive 5. And so later on for the final answer, you will see me having the negative 1 in front. And we are now required to factorize this. 2r squared plus 11r plus 5. And we could easily do that, okay? I'm going to make use then of the cross chart now. And that is the part whereby I will have the 2r and the 5 written down here. And my positive 11r here. So there's only 2r multiplied by r to give me 2r squared, and there's only 1 times 5. Now is where to put. And knowing that I must get 11r, this is how I will position it, because then I will get my r and 10r. And when I add them up, they do give me back my 11r. And therefore, I will be able to get my answer. 2r, positive 1, positive r, positive 5. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize negative 3w squared minus 11w plus 4. I will rely on my cross chart method for this. There will be negative 3w squared and positive 4. And after that, I will have my negative 11w here. And later on, then I consider the negative sign. But I do know 3w multiplied by w will give me 3w squared. As for 4, I have 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. And I must somehow choose the pair that will give me 11. And I will choose 1 and 4 because 3 times 4 will give me 12w. W times 1 will give me 1w. And now is to consider the negative sign here. Meaning that the 12w should be my negative. So that 1w minus 12w will indeed give me my negative 11w. And therefore, I now know that my 3w must be the negative sign. So that negative 3w times positive 4, negative 12. Alright? And everything works out nicely because I also had considered that negative 3w times w will give me back my negative sign here. So this will be the final answer for the factorize form. Negative 3w, positive 1, positive w, positive 4. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.